Imagine getting crispy fries, juicy chicken, and healthier meals with almost no oil. This might be the smartest kitchen upgrade of the year. Welcome back to SmartBuy Picks. Today we're checking out the powerful Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer, and honestly, this thing does way more than just air fry.
With its sleek dark gray finish and large 6-quart basket, it's perfect for family dinners while still saving space on your kitchen counter.
Cosori's TurboBlaze technology uses a super-fast 3,600 RPM fan and temperatures up to 450 degrees for crispy outside.
This is basically 9 appliances in one. Air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, dehydrate, proof dough, keep food warm temply, and even cook frozen foods fast.
Ditch the greasy deep fryer for healthy, golden, air-fried perfection. Wow, these are perfectly crispy.
The PFAS-Free ceramic coating is a huge upgrade too. Safer, non-stick, durable, and incredibly easy to clean after cooking.
You also get access to over 100 in-app recipes with nutrition facts, making meal prep ridiculously easy for busy days.
If you want faster cooking, healthier meals, and crispy food without the mess of deep frying, the Cosori TurboBlaze is seriously hard to beat.
If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to SmartBuy Picks, and let me know in the comments, what would YOU cook first in this air fryer?